Hello, I'm in a 2017 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then up here you find two caps. This is the top of your radiator, this is your coolant reservoir. You hardly ever would need to add into here unless you got really low, and this is where you're primarily going to add to. Double check your owner's manual, look good online, so you've got the best coolant to match your make and model. And typically too, you want it to match what's already in here and the same color of what's been used. Better not to mix and match coolant if you can help it. And then down here you can see the full line and the low line, so you should want it somewhere near the full. You don't want it all the way full. There is supposed to be some air gap here, and when you're working with this is to make sure the vehicle's turned off and cooled down, just since this liquid can get to boil and works under pressure, and you don't want a bunch of poisonous liquid to shoot out onto you, especially if you're opening this cap. But if you need to secure, you just push down and twist about twice and this pops off. And you see coolant here. And then to fill here, you just pop this open, and either the funnel or straight from your diluted coolant, just fill as needed till you're around that full line. Make sure everything's closed and nice and tight. And then I would check around your reservoir, your lines, your radiator, your engine bay for leaks. Which at this point I would start the vehicle to let that new coolant circulate through, and then check around for any puddles that might be forming under the vehicle or around the engine bay. And a way to tell that apart from water condensation is it should have a slight coloration to it. It'll have a slight sweetness smell to it. And you don't want it on your fingers, but if you have like a glove on, if you feel it, it should feel slightly slick compared to what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.